Let's make some sorbet with the Santa Rosa plums we just harvested. I removed the pits and then I threw the plums in the saucepan and added a little bit of water, and now I'm gonna cook them down. I'm just gonna throw in a splash of vodka to make it not freeze. Amazing. Delicious. The perfect treat for a hot summer day.
If you could return, don't let it burn.